So shout out to everybody that joined in on Facebook. Shout out to everybody that joined in on IG. Yo, so first topic of the night. With everything that's going on right now, a lady got pulled over by a cop the other day, and she told the cop if he arrests her, she's gonna cough on him and give him coronavirus.
I know he's gonna beat that bitch ass.
And give him coronavirus. She didn't have coronavirus, but she told him that if he arrests her, she's gonna cough on him and give him coronavirus. What's your thoughts on that?
Some fucked up shit. Do we have to ask what she was?
Nah, you don't have to ask. You already know what she was.
All right.
But if you had to guess, what would you say she was?
From the Caucasus Mountains.
Oh, yes. Let's just say she's still alive today.
Yeah. She didn't catch the beat down. Okay.
No, she didn't catch the shootout neither. Shootout similar to Wild West. Guy on the couch. What'd you think about that?
Man, same old, you know. Same story, different day. Playing the black man, you know. So no need to beat a dead horse. You know, if we were in that same situation, we know what what would happen. So go ahead and take it away.
Sick motherfucking dogs on us.
You already know what it is. So, yeah, you can tell that of course it was a white lady. And she got away with it, but I think he I'm not sure if he arrested her or not, but needless to say she's still living, so she did get away with something.
Yeah, she got away with it. Threaten a cop with anything, he's supposed to shoot you.
Yeah. That is a
Or he shoot us.
well, we get shot. There's no doubt about that. We catch those. We definitely catch those. So tell me, what's the in the temperature and everything that's going on today, especially with the police and blacks and anything with the police, us being shot down by the cops on a regular basis, us trying to stick up for ourselves. We can't get out of pocket with the cops like that, and still be walking this earth. But with the coronavirus thing so widespread and it now being a pandemic, threatening to cough on somebody, like, you might just get fucked up. Like, you walk past and sneeze, niggas are jumping in the traffic to avoid you sneezing on them and coughing on them. It's like, so you're gonna threaten the cop? That's kind of like pulling out the automatic on them. You know what I mean? Hands up.
Yeah, you don't threaten no police with that. I mean, that's just open and shut right there. So
That's some funny shit though. Like, I'm gonna cough on you, nigga. No, that's the new threat right now.
Shit, what happened to bitches just offering to suck their dick like the other ones? That's how I'm moving a squad car and go home.
That's the new, like, threatening to cough on somebody is the new shit. You ever go around and be like, don't make me cough on you, nigga. Like, real rap, like, I'll do that shit.
It's just fake anyway, no damn coronavirus. My ass.
What's your thoughts on the coronavirus?
It's bullshit. I mean, you see what's going on. It's funny, in the middle of the trade, like I said, in the middle of the trade war with China, all of a sudden they get hit with a deadly virus. I mean, the tariff war, sorry. All of a sudden the economy is fucked. And now all of a sudden we engineered another recession. Quote unquote recession. All the stock market is crashed or at rock bottom prices, as I like to say. Shit, it just seems like it's real easy for a lot of rich people to buy back all their stocks in the companies they own and leave the poor man with toilet paper and hand sanitizer.
What's the deal with the toilet paper though?
I don't know. I guess they thought they was gonna be shitting a lot.
They've been shitting bricks.
Right? It's a virus. It's not a stomach bug.
It's a respiratory virus.
Hey, fuck, what you gonna do with that toilet paper?
They gonna TP the fuck out of somebody's crib, yo.
Motherfuckers think they can use that shit as currency in case everything hit the fan.
And niggas got a mean hustle. You can't knock the hustle.
Bruh, go get a leaf outside. I'm not gonna sell my ass ask for no toilet paper. No, it's never gonna be that desperate. Bruh, it's like if it's like that, I just go outside and leave.
Yo, but yo, back to the shorty though, threatening to cough on somebody. Like, yo, if somebody walk past you and just coughs on you right now, what's your reaction?
Fuck. I mean, that's my job. I'm used to that shit. But if they deliberately do it in my fucking face, man, you get pushed to the floor.
Yo, that's gonna be the new challenge. If people walk past somebody and like, blah, and starts like hawk one on somebody.
Get fucked up.
Yeah, so niggas gonna get fucked up. Like, you do that challenge, you think we gonna see that challenge? All the other challenges that we seen, you think we gonna see the cough on somebody challenge?
Fuck no, that's just disrespectful. Face smacked.
I'm saying we see some wild disrespectful challenges. So like, I don't think that's too far fetched to think that somebody's gonna start to cough on a motherfucking challenge, and cough on a nigga challenge.
Well, make sure you pick the right nigga to do that shit too.
Yeah.
Nice and old.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Bring that shit around here, you will get fucked up.
That's fucked up. Yeah, you fuck around and just walk around and just cough on somebody, you liable to get shot, yo. What they saying online? What they saying on? No comments?
No comments yet. No comments.
What
yet.
y'all think, Facebook? What y'all think, IG? Somebody walk past you and just cough on you. How you reacting to that? What you giving up on that? What they saying on IG?
Nothing right now. V12 just joined. What's good with you?
V Live, V12, what up, baby? Yo, we're talking about a shorty who threatened a cop, said she gonna cough on him if he arrests her. Like, yo, we talking about, like, yo, if they came out with the cough on the nigga challenge, like, what you think would happen? What would you do if somebody just walked past you and just straight coughed on you, fam? Like the cough on you challenge. Let's let it be known right now. What's your reaction to the cough on you challenge if somebody ever decide to do that? It's fucked up, but what's your reaction?
Who?
Anybody. Guy on the couch, somebody walk past you and just straight sneeze on you.
It's gonna be a problem.
Walk into the mist.
It's gonna be a problem. I'm not saying I'm gonna put hands on her. Too much to lose, but that's definitely a problem, right? You know, definitely a problem. Somebody just sneeze on you, kind of appalling.
Bask in it.
You said there, hooded warrior. Somebody sneeze on you on purpose. Been vilified.
Depends on the situation. If he just laughing and shit in my face while after he did, I'm gonna fuck him up. If he just staring at me, looking to see what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna smile. If he just look like,
saying
oh,
that
shit,
Charlie Murphy.
accident, I ain't gonna do shit.
Like Rick James and Charlie Murphy.
Yeah.
Say
Things to his face.
Oh man. You walk past and I chew and just start smiling. Radio, what up? Shout out to everybody tuned in. The cough on you challenge. If somebody walk past you and straight cough on you, or sneeze on you, what is happening to that person? Are they walking away? Are they laughing? Are you accepting the laugh that, yo, you've been punked? What's going on with that? I don't like the whole punk shit anyway. But what are the reactions to that?
I don't know, man. This is gonna have to be one of the things you have to come across. Everybody say what they would do, but when it happens,
Niggas ain't about what they about.
you start to think when it's really time to put hands on a motherfucker, you know there's the consequences of that shit.
Shit, ain't no thinking.
We know, so now you can't just beat a nigga down and they call your parents.
But somebody just straight coughing and sneezing on you,
You gonna beat a nigga down and risk some time for that?
they should get time. I mean, that's kind of like, honestly, that's kind of like, yo, knowing you got AIDS and going around and just like having sex. That's
Yeah, but the sneeze is involuntary.
nah,
You gotta prove he did it on purpose, and there's no way in hell you can.
shit.
Unless you wrote it down and he's gonna sneeze on you.
Say they led the chase.
Shit.
I was out, yo. Niggas they chased me, they ran me down and sneezed on me.
Yeah, burden proof.
Fuck you want me to do? My hand flew up. The chin was in the way.
Burden proof.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm saying like that's a hard one. I mean, it's a hard one to prove, but like, fuck it. For every action has a reaction. Like, yo, they sneeze. My hand flailed up. It's a fist. It caught him. My bad. They fell. Got about to dodge.
Yeah, cover his mouth next time.
They ain't cover their mouth, so I covered it for him. Pause. Figured we did help him out. Punch the motherfucker in the chin, but they don't go around coughing on people again.
Yeah. I got everybody scared of this bullshit ass, fake ass virus.
It's manufactured. Nicole, somebody walk past and just sneeze and cough on you. The cough on you challenge. What you doing to them? I know she got shit to do to them. Lisa, what's going on? Thank y'all for everybody tuning in. Any IGs? Anything on? Alright.
It's another time.
Thank y'all for tuning in to hashtag Factuals, your one-stop for information and entertainment. We call that infotainment in the finest of fuckery. Like, yo, you got a bottle burner, something you want to do?
I mean, I like did already, but we can go again.
Let's get into the bottle burner. DJ Young really though gonna give y'all 2 minutes or something. Nicole said she gonna suffocate them. They'll learn real quick.
Shit. Man, I don't know what's wrong with black people and poor people, but it's like y'all like to be poor. All this bullshit going on. I don't know how these white folks convinced y'all to buy all the toilet paper and hand sanitizer, and what was the purpose of it?
All the tissue.
But
all
what is that shit gonna do to you? I mean, do for you? Even if we down to our last and all you got is water, you still need electrolytes. This shit's stupid. I went to the grocery store, all the food is there, but all the boxed fake food is gone. Toilet paper gone. What the fuck? I mean, what are you gonna do with this shit? And y'all not paying attention? The stock market crash. Everything's for sale. Buy something.
No, you know what that remind me of? That remind me of when Martin on You So Crazy was like, all the watermelon's gone, all the fried chicken is
like, I tell you what was gone though, all the motherfucking wings was gone and shit.
Oh yeah, that shit was definitely gone.
Fried,
like fresh.
All of them was gone.
Tyson's, all that shit was gone. Wingstop sold out. God damn.
All the bottled water was gone and shit except the Evian. You broke motherfuckers.
Yo, I went into BJ's, fam. Yo, that line was all the way through the back of the store and around the corner on both lines. I'm like, hot damn, and that's at like 9:15 in the morning. I'm like, damn, y'all niggas got up early in the morning to buy bottled water. Not to mention, like, yo, on the real, to keep it real with y'all, bottled water really isn't that good for you. Plastic bottled water, at least. You gotta buy if you're gonna buy your bottled water, it should be in the glass, right, or some different type of container, not plastic bottled water.
Anyway, paying for no glass.
Yeah, they not. Worse, they already had that shit. This epidemic just shows how dirty a lot of people are. That's why they say you can't eat everybody's food. Hashtag factuals.
But that's beyond the point. You niggas want survival. This read between the lines. The government will never tell you the truth. You gotta pay attention to what they are hiding. They put corona in your face because they want you scared shitless. What they didn't put in your face was the fact that a British soldier died in Iran and the U.S. had bombed the shit out of them. What they didn't show you was that the Congress is trying to come up with a rule so where they don't have to get congressional approval to go to war. And what they didn't tell your dumb asses was that all stock prices are dirt cheap.
Mm-hmm.
If you have $1,000, you can make a decent profit.
Niggas, buy up.
Get in the market.
Buy up.
Like, what are y'all doing? Are y'all paying attention? Are y'all just letting these people tell y'all what to do? Like when they told your ancestors, come on this boat.
It's a party.
Like when they told Native Americans, here's some fresh blankets. It's like, what the fuck? Y'all not paying attention. This place, these people are the only people that bombed black people on American soil. The only time American soil was under attack is when the government bombed black people for starting their own shit and learning how to live without them. And y'all still trusting them? Okay. Let me know how that works. Shit, let me know how that toilet paper feel when you ain't got no food shit.
The roll up front to hide that backhand shit. Yeah, they definitely put that shit in the limelight. Hey y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to hashtag Factuals, your one stop for information and entertainment. We call that infotainment. I am your host, Vision, the man and the meaning, giving that sight beyond sight. We go live every Thursday night at 9:25 p.m. That's right, Thursday nights at 9:25 p.m. We're giving y'all topics, segments, outbreaks, and more. hopefully not outbreaks, but outtakes or whatever, and more. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. We go live at Facebook, #Factuals, spelled the whole thing out. YouTube, #Factuals. Instagram, #_Factuals. You spell the whole thing out. Make sure to join the group on Facebook. You got #Factuals, and you got #Factuals, the showcast. Join the group, like the page, hit subscribe at the bottom of your screen. We go live 9:25 Thursday nights. We be putting out video clips from the previous episode every week. Join us. We love y'all. Thank y'all for messing with us. Peace.